The poor audio quality has been one of the biggest complaints about the GoPro for years. This is partly due to the fact that the camera is waterproof up to 10 meters without additional case. This year, however, GoPro has made a few major changes to the body. Among other things, a new microphone was integrated at the front. This should improve the audio quality. GoPro also announced an additional external microphone this year. This must be purchased separately and attached to the camera with an additional mod. However, the various mods are not yet available at this time. In this video, I will compare the audio quality of the GoPro Hero 8 with the audio quality of the Hero7 Black. From now on, the sound in this video will come from the GoPro. All recordings in this video come directly from the camera and have not been edited. The wind noise setting has been left on auto. In addition to voice tests, there are also tests for many different sounds. At the end, I will give you my impression of the results of this comparison test. So stay tuned until the end of the video. For current prices and offers for the GoPro Hero 8 and external microphone, I've put some links in the video description. Basically, you can also connect another external microphone to the GoPro. But for this you need the new media mod on the Hero 8, which you have to buy separately. In addition to this video on this channel, you will find tests of the image quality, of the image stabilization, and soon of the photo quality of the new GoPro Hero 8. My name is Werner, I live in the Italian Alps, and this channel is about filmmaking tutorials, GoPro and other consumer cameras. If you're interested in these topics, consider subscribing and have fun with this video. Much more important than the indoor recordings are the outdoor recordings of the voice. I think that we will all use the GoPro mostly outdoors. Much more important than the indoor recordings are the outdoor recordings of the voice. I think that we will all use the GoPro mostly outdoors. The sound of the voice outdoors can be quite different from the sound in an office. The sound of the voice outdoors can be quite different from the sound in an office. Now let's listen to some sound effects. At the end I will test how sensitive the new GoPro reacts to wind noise. Now let's listen to some sound effects. At the end I will test how sensitive the new GoPro reacts to wind noise. So let's briefly summarize the results of this comparison test. In my opinion, the voice on the Hero 8 sounds a bit louder and a bit fuller. It may also have a bit more bass. In terms of sounds, the shots on the Hero 8 sound clearer, richer and more detailed. In some cases, such as the running test, a clear improvement can be noticed. What is particularly annoying about the Hero 7 is that the sound changes very frequently during the recording, for example in the case of a waterfall. There are also improvements in the wind noise, even if these recordings still don't sound optimal. Overall, the sound of the GoPro could be improved, even if the progress is not the same in all cases. I'm curious how the GoPro will sound with the external microphone. With this, I would like to say goodbye for today. If the video was interesting for you, give me a like as feedback and see you next time.